Hey guys, welcome back. Yes. Welcome back. I don't know, for some reason I'm so excited. Anyway guys, welcome back to my channel. It is another great recipe. Yes. Anyway, that is our meat. Today we are going to be making Igbo traditional bitter leaf soup. Bitter leaf soup. Anyway, yeah, this is my meat in the pot. In the pot I have shaki and I have beef. So we're going to season and start cooking the meat. You know how it is here. If you are an OG of this channel, you know how it is. Anyway guys, let's season our meat so we can start cooking it. So I'm going to add 3 Maggi. Oh, I'm going to add onions, chunky onions, and I am going to add salt. This is all the ingredients I'm using to season this meat, and I'm gonna cover it and allow it to start cooking. So guys, in this pot, this is our bitter leaf. So that is my bitter leaf. It was in the freezer, so I have put it in that pot because I am going to boil the bitter leaf for like 15 minutes just to take out any extra bitter flavor in it. So yeah, I'm going to boil that bitter leaf for like 15 minutes. So after allowing that to cook for a while, I am going to take out the onions because I don't need it. I just need the aroma of the onions. Now at this point I'm going to add my dry fish. I'm going to add water. Now I'm going to cover and allow the meat to keep cooking. So guys, this is our bitter leaf. I'm going to take it out of the stove now. So guys, over here is our oat flour. You can use any thickener of your choice. I am going to add water and I am going to mix it up together. Like I'm saying, you can use any thickener. You can use yam, you can use cocoyam, you can use practically any thickener you like to use for thickening your Igbo soup. But I'm using you can use achi as well. So yeah, that is my oat ready. So all you do is just add water to it and mix it up together. Add water, mix it up together basically, and that is it. So I'm going to add some water. Now I'm going to start adding all my ingredients. I'm going to add my oat flour. I'm going to add my crayfish. I'm going to add my ogilibo. I'm adding more of the ogilibo. Dry chili. I'm going to add red oil. Now I'm going to cover and cook that for about 10 to 15 minutes. So now I'm going to taste if there is Maggi or salt. There is no enough Maggi and salt, so I'm going to add 1 scoop of salt and I'm going to add 1 Maggi. Now after this, I am going to add my bitter leaf. So now guys, I am going to cover and give that another 5 minutes, and this soup is ready. So guys, after 5 minutes, this bitter leaf soup is ready and is looking absolutely divine. Yes, it is time to take it off from the stove. The aroma coming out from this kitchen, it is heaven. It is heavenly. Anyway guys, let me take it out of this stove. So guys, this soup is ready and it is looking absolutely divine. I will meet you guys at the table. Yes. So guys, we are back from making this delicious, yummy, juicy bitter leaf soup, and it is smelling absolutely divine. Like, I'm not joking, it is smelling so good. So yeah, let's pray so we can dive in. Amen, guys. It is time to dive in and do what we know how to do best. You know why we're here, to demolish like kings and queens. Oh, now we're having it with our gari fufu. Yum. Now look at this. Look at this. Oh wow. Yum. Oh. Oh. Oh my days. Oh. It is good. Oh. Guys, this is where I'm going to be ending today's mukbang. The bitter leaf soup was on point. Like, oh, excuse me. Oh my god. It was on point. Like, it's so sweet and so delicious and so yummy and so finger licking. Like, excuse me. Yeah, it is that delicious. Like, I can smell the aroma of the ogilibo. Is on point. I'm not kidding. Anyway, guys, thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed the cooking part of it and the eating part of it. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you all on my next one. Thank you. Bye.